Hey everyone, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to unveil my new DreamBox. I have it all set up. It's like definitely fetch and fetch-tastic. I am smitten as a kitten with mittens on for this piece of furniture. It's really transforming my entire space, and my workflow is going to be like so improved. And I'm going to have so much more room in here than I did before. Like, there's so many things that I'm excited about with this box that I never knew that I would ever be excited about when it came to, like, furniture and organization, but I am. And so, just if you want to watch this and how I chose to organize it and how I made it color gradient, ooh la la, make sure to check them out with the affiliate link down below in the description. If you do decide to purchase one, there's a coupon. Use Mr. Domestic Heart right now or Mr. Domestic at another time. And I'll link all of that in the description so you don't have to worry about that now. For now, just enjoy me enjoying this box and how it's transformed my organization and my sewing room. Hi everyone, I'm stoked about my DreamBox. This thing is magical. It's really all of my furniture needs in this room. I'm not fibbing, like, you all know I'm authentic. I don't think I've ever talked about a piece of furniture that I loved as much as this one. My spouse is kind of getting tired of me saying. But now I'm gonna unbox it just so you can see what's on the inside. So this, like this, is perfect just for a neutral background. Like, let's say I don't want a lot of color. I'm really trying to get the stuff that's inside of my head out. I don't want a lot. And then it just makes it seem calmer, serene. Not always about crafting, but then this is what it's gonna look like. Let me show you. You ready? And let me turn the light on. Then I'm gonna open it up. Dun, 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 dun. And then this right here is probably how it's going to be like most of the time, except for this table is also going to be down. It's colorful. This is great for like a YouTube video, or I can do a video. See, look, da-da-da-da-da. Not too much distraction. Oh my gosh, out of breath because I love this so much. But let me take this. It's this easy to put the table down. Boom. Da. Then I can take a nap. No, not really. This is probably where Tony is going to be all of the time. And I'm really excited about it. Because then the other sew station that I have is going to be like a cutting board. And then for Alfonso if I need it. So, glorious, glorious, glorious. But this is not it. Now I'm going to show you more. Trust me, y'all. The color explosion gets more. But you're gonna go extra, you need to go full on extra. And I went 10 out of 10 extra. So, these are the warm colors. These are the cool colors. And then I will take a seat, get out of the way, just so that you can sop all of this in. Like, wow, if that doesn't look like a showroom. And that is in my house. I cannot describe how lucky and fortunate I am to have this piece of furniture. And absolutely, I would pay for it. Now that I've opened it, put it together, how easy it is. Way a lot of storage. I'm not even using all of it. It's perfect. It has all of my storage needs for everything crafty that I... So now let's get ooh la la up close and personal with my DreamBox, because wowie wow, y'all, I am a lucky one. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. The table's down, and I'm probably going to keep Tony, which is my main machine, T-O-N-I, here all the time, unless I need to fold it up so that I can record in front of it. But even still, I think it is going to work out permanently there. And for whatever reason, if I needed the table to go back up, it could do that. But I just think it looks so pretty. Look there. And this is my main section that will be the most visible in the background for all of my videos, etc. Just like perfect display of my favorite loves, yarn and fabric, with all of the storage. I just thought that would be really pretty. And I love also that I have the option to close this to protect the fabric from the exposed sun, which I'm just so excited. There are drawers here. You're not gonna see what's inside because I don't know what's in there. I don't want to show you. And then my die cutting machine. And let's go down. And then extra storage there. I still don't know what to fill it up. I put that there just to add some color for this video, but like really, I don't know. Then let's go to the warm colors. This is what I chose to do. I had some thread that I was never going to use. It's embroidery thread and I don't do that a lot. So I took a couple spools of each and I did a little gradient situation here, which added to all of the warm colors over here. And it really worked. And what I love about this especially is that there are 4 sections in these. So the first one is going to be all cute and snatched, and then it doesn't matter what's in the other 3. I'll probably label it when I fill them out, but they could be like janky and ugly and not color coordinated, and it's still going to be fabulous. And these are the things, they have to be color coordinated, of course, that I am currently working on or currently have projects. Then I can put some, like a whip in there, or work in progress. So that's always going to be visible. I think that it's going to look cute always. And then down here, I got this idea from Tabitha Sewer, who just recently got a DreamBox, is that Helena and I, Helena's my kid, we decided that I needed some drawers that were junky because not everything is going to be super cute. Oh, I need to put that one back up. So I cut out some 3x12 pieces of cardstock and gradient right here, so that it doesn't matter what's in the drawers, it's still going to look cute. And then here, these are functional items that could be used for decor. So they're zippers. I'll use them when I need them, but who knows? This is just some yarn to look cute. I like it. Eventually I'll use it if I ever run out. And then these are threads that I go through. Then there's this, of course, color coordinated. And one of my favorite ideas that I had, let me see to where you can see it, is those are all my strips because I do so much fabric weaving that to have a spot for my strips is insane, because a lot of times they wouldn't keep well if I didn't have them in something like this. So now if I have extras or want to prepare early, I can put them there. And it's the same situation over here with the blues. So yes, this, I did the same thought process and organization. The cute visible stuff that I'm working on there. And then this is the stuff I want to hide from the public, but I want to keep my shelves snatched. A little extra shelf there. And then I have my cool color strips. And this, honestly, it's like perfection. And right here, boom, I got a hood, which I'm glad because it's like, look at that light, boom. But I was able to put some stuff here, and the added bonus is that I also can use it for storage because no one's gonna see that. When I need it. I'm going to get some more of the containers and make it at least look cute up there, but like that's a little added bonus until I get my storage unit or studio. Like it's a place to put stuff. So thanks for coming along my journey. I'm so honored to have a DreamBox, and I'm absolutely in love. This has met all of my organizational needs, and I'm going to have so much more room in this 15 by 9 foot square rectangle that I do so much in, and it's all thanks to this magnificent box. So yeah, loving it. So this is my DreamBox. I'm so excited. So excited. So honored. There's another little box here that's going to be in a separate video that I got, but I also got the sew station, which is another piece of furniture that has transformed this room, which will be in another video in the future. So please make sure to check out Create Room and the DreamBox in the affiliate link below. Make sure to use the coupon codes when checking out if you do choose to get this amazing piece of organization. And if you just came here for the enjoyment, then the ooh la la, fabulosity, and laughs, make sure to thumbs up. Make sure to comment how much you enjoyed this, and then better be subscribing to my channel, because that's all I have to say about that. And on that note, keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Be all dramatic with my shadow. Dun dun dun. So excited.